Hello friend, in this video I will solve some more question of the same series. And the question is, we have to find LCM of NPR and NCR. So NPR is the formula of permutation and NCR is the formula of combination. NPR is written as factorial n upon n minus r factorial, and NCR is factorial n upon n minus r into factorial r, additional r is present here. So if you observe these two terms, will have this term is common. Okay, so the LCM of these two coefficient is factorial n upon n minus r factorial, which is equal to NPR by this formula. Okay, now if you observe question number 6, we have to prove the del cross del phi equal to 0. So we know that cross product of the same vector is always 0. If we have a vector A, if we assume that A vector is x I cap y z cap plus z k cap, and if you multiply A dot A, that means if you take self dot product, so we'll always cross product. Okay, so we'll always get 0. Similarly, if we have a vector del, so del is a differential operator which is represented del x I cap, del y j cap, and del z k cap. If you take cross of this differential vector, that means del x I cap, del y j cap plus del z k cap, so we'll always get 0. That means del cross del equal to 0. So del cross del phi can be written as del cross del, and phi is a constant, so we can take outside. So we can write here del cross del equal to 0, 0 into phi. So finally we'll have del cross del phi equal to 0. So this is the result we have to prove. Now come to the question number 4. It is very most important, which is related to AP, arithmetic progression. So here x is not, this is 3 number. So if you given A, B, C are 3 numbers, if it is given that A, B, C are in AP, then we have to write B minus A. That means common difference of AP. D is written by B minus A equal to same as C minus B. That means the consecutive difference between two terms of AP must be equal. So if we take B in left hand side, we get 2B equal to A plus C. In this condition, we have to prove the coefficient we have given, log 3. The value of A is log 3. The value of A is log 3. And the value of B is log of 3 to the power x minus 2. And the value of C is what? Log of 3x 3 to the power x plus 4. So we have to put the values in this expression. We'll get the value of x. Okay, after solving. So putting B log of 3x minus 2, and the value of A is log of 3. Value of C is log of 3x plus 4. So we know that m log n, we have the property of log, that is m log n equal to what? Log n to the power m. And right side we apply the second property is a logarithm, that means log of a plus log of b will equal to log of a into b. So we can write here log of 3x minus 2 whole to the power 2, and in right side we can write log of 3 into 3x plus 4, 3 to the power x plus 4. In the whole term, both side log is present, we can remove this term. So we have to write 3x minus 2 square equal to 3 into 3x plus multiplication of 3 in both the terms will have 12. Okay, so squaring this term, 3x square plus 4 minus 4 into 3x equal to, this is 3 into 3x plus 12. So for simplicity we can assume, let 3 to the power x equal to y, then the equation is converted into quadratic equation. So this will become y square, and just solve it one step. 3 to the power x whole square, and 4 into 3x minus 3 into 3x means what? 7 into 3 to the power x. 4 minus 12 is what? Minus 8 equal to 0. So if you assume 3x to the power is y, so y square minus 7y minus 8 equal to 0. We can simply write here y square minus 8y plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So we can simply solve it after taking y in common, both the terms, y minus 8y and y minus 8. So we will get y minus 8 plus y minus 8 equal to 0. After taking these two terms, y minus 8 and into y plus 1, here 1 is hidden, equal to 0. So y equal to 8 and y equal to minus 1. In logarithm, minus is undefined, so we have to take positive value. Okay, so at the place of y we can put 3 to the power x, and 8 is written as 3, basically 8 can be written as simply 8. Okay, so if you take logarithm at the base 3, we'll have log at base 3 8. So this will equal to x equal to log 8 at base 3. So the value of x is log 8 at base e. So this is all about in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.